got a little something to show you guys. Ready? Bam. Garage. We did the garage. That's where I've been the past month. Still got to deal with all this work equipment, but finally got a little place to chill, place to work. So yeah, we put the jet skis in the back, got this done, but let's get to the video today. Pittsburgh ATV motorcycle lift. You can buy it at Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight has a couple of different options, but I went with this one. It's like aluminum construction. I'm reading the box right now. High strength, lightweight aluminum construction. So they had a different one. It was for, I believe, like $90, but I think it was like steel, and it was little wheels on it were small. I didn't like the way it looked. Heavy. I picked up the box and it was heavy. This one I could pick up the box, so I like that. It's gonna be a light one, and the wheels are bigger, so it's gonna be easier to maneuver. We're gonna take a look at it, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. So here it is. Ready? How's that for some camera magic? So here we have it. Pittsburgh Automotive. And right off the bat, ready? I like that. It slides. That makes it so much easier to work with. Slide it around, so you don't have to keep pulling it back and forth. But yeah, straight out the box, it looks heavy duty. Looks pretty good. And it goes up to 1,500 pound weight capacity. So buddy's got a cruiser on here. You can definitely get lower with it. I'll show you guys the low profile for you guys who have cruisers and whatnot. So it comes with these risers right here. Pop those out like that. Other one comes off too. Gives you a nice low profile. I think you could definitely take on most of those choppers. I'm glad I went with this one because the other one they had was super bulky, and I just wish they made it in red. I like red. Blue. Who the likes blue? Pop that little sucker right in there. All right, a little click. All right, so it only stops at that click. Go to the next click. All right, stopped at that click. It only stops at that click. And then you want to lower it all the way. Just pull that up. Gently let it go down. Look at that. Look how smooth that is, dude. Sheesh. All right. I like that. Yeah, right out the box, I mean, literally you don't have to put it together. And this one ran me, I think, 180. So, I mean, $100 more than the other one. But honestly, I'm really happy. Just the fact of it being lightweight, and I can actually, this is what I mean by lightweight. You can just, like, ready? There you go, slides. So that'll be easy. For example, you got that right there, right? Like that. Slide it right under. You don't gotta keep going back and forth to get the angle you want. But yeah, let's try this sucker out. Let's try this thing out. With my little buddy. What's up, Rambo? What's up, Rambo? Just chilling. Rambo likes to chill around when we're out here. Can't take the heat. All right, I'm gonna set it up on the tripod. We'll get this bit out. You're not gonna want to move it over like that, but that goes for any jack. You can definitely throw some toe straps around and hook it up right in here so it's more stable. You don't want to accidentally bump into your bike and have it drop from that high, or have it drop at all, you know, but I'm happy with it. I'm definitely comfortable with it keeping it up. given that it's capable of doing 1,500. Let's see. Let's lower it. Just pull it up once, right? There you go. So look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm stoked with that. I wanted to tighten the chain on my TW because I'm still doing the whole braking period, and I needed to tighten the chain. I didn't want to have to, because I've seen people like suspend it on top of like these. I just didn't want to have to go through all that. Suspend the back so you can pull the chain, pull the wheel back. So I'm gonna be able to do that now easily. And the beauty of it being low profile, goes right under the little futon. Just unscrew this, that out. Pull this down, pull this up. Right there. Would you look at that? Sheesh. Just tucked away nice and neat. I'm trying to keep this garage as organized as I can because I don't want to have it become a pile of junk and mess. I actually got room to chill. Got the fridge right there. Let's see what the fridge says. Couple brewskis, wrenching on stuff. The next video I'm gonna do is gonna be on this bike. I gotta fix that up. Got a couple of stuff to do on this. I wanna have this bike looking as mint as possible. It's already pretty mint, but there's a couple of stuff that definitely need to be worked on. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys are in need of a motorcycle ATV jack, Harbor Freight definitely came in clutch with the $180 Pittsburgh. And I mean, keep an eye out for it because I know Harbor Freight does a bunch of like deals on it, on like a lot of their products, so you can probably even get it for cheaper. If you guys are torn between the $90 one or the $180 one, I'd say go for the $180 one. It's a little more expensive, but definitely a bang for your buck, definitely worth it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, any comments, just drop them down in the bottom. Hit the notification button, notifications whenever a new video comes out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys think there's a better motorcycle jack for around the same price. I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Subscribe for more. Peace out.